Kyra Clinic at Ludhiana is one of the most advanced aesthetic clinics in India. It is a name for performing rhinoplasty surgeries and giving desired results to every patient.
I was very comfortable coming here. I had seen all his experience online on social media and knew that I'm making the right choice coming here. I had my surgery, felt very comfortable. The clinic's very clean.
Dr. Vikas Gawri, an internationally trained and board-certified plastic surgeon, is the man behind the success of the center. Dr. Vikas Gawri, known as India's most admired cosmetic surgeon, is undoubtedly the most popular and successful plastic surgeon in North India. He has crossed over 3,000 successful surgeries and has given a new transformed look to large number of patients across the world.
Yeah, the biggest reward for our clinic is when we see the smile on of our client. We remove the splint after 4 to 5 days. We give him or her a mirror to see, and a reward is the smiling face.
This NRI lady had a broad nasal base and the bridge of her nose was also saddle-shaped. After a thorough examination, her surgery was planned.
So you can see the nasal dorsum has been elevated by the septal cartilage, and we have done osteotomies to bring the nasal bones together, and similarly we have done the alar trim and nasal tip modification. And now you can see from the side view, again you can appreciate a beautiful nose with the elevated dorsal bridge and with a narrow profile.
अपनी नोज़ तो बहुत हैप्पी ਹਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੋਜ਼ ਕਾਫੀ ਬ੍ਰੌਡ ਸੀਗੀ ਥੋੜਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੰਪ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਬੌਂਡਸ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਬ੍ਰੌਡ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈਪੀ ਹਾਂ
The saddle deformity occurs when the bridge of the nose is low and appears scooped out. Patients with the saddle nose require augmentation.
He has got a very broad nose and a saddle nose with a depression in the dorsal bridge. So we are going to do the open rhinoplasty, and the plan is we have to give him a straight dorsum, so we have to increase or augment. So this is called augmentation rhinoplasty. So we take a cartilage, sometimes from the nose only we take the septal cartilage and put it to make the nose very sharp from the top, and we do the osteotomies to bring the nasal bones closer, and we do the nasal tip modification to narrow the nasal tip, and then we do the alar trim. So these all procedures are done by open rhinoplasty.
After the surgery, this person found himself fully transformed.
So I want to highlight about our NRI clients. So we are getting many NRI clients for the rhinoplasty, and it is our personal approach that we should give a good care and the best results achievable in the rhinoplasty.
This young lady had deviated nasal septum. Her curved nose not only looks bad on her face, but she also had difficulty in breathing.
Every case of rhinoplasty is different. In her case, there was significant nasal deviation. So nasal deviation is due to the underlying septum. So there is a deviated nasal septum. So we do septoplasty, and there is bulbous nasal tip. We want to do the nasal tip modification also. So we are planning for open rhinoplasty, in which we are doing preservation rhinoplasty with minimum degloving that reduces the downtime, reduces the swelling. So we open the nose and we use special bone rasping instruments to decrease the height of the nose and the cartilage.
Dr. Vikas Gawri gave her a new life where her face turned beautiful and her nasal deformity had gone forever.
बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेस रहती थी अपने फेस को देख के, पर अब इतना कॉन्फिडेंस हो चुका है फेस पे, कोई भी किसी से भी बात करने से पहले इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ चुका है कि अब कोई डर नहीं कि कैसा लग रहा है मेरा फेस, कैसा नहीं लग रहा. All thanks to Dr. Gawri.
This lady from the corporate world had a bulbous nose. Dr. Vikas Gawri trimmed the excess nasal cartilage and gave her nose a defined shape. A corrected nose revealed her overall personality as required in her professional life.
I am one of the happy and satisfied customer of Dr. Vikas Gawri of Rhinoplasty. It's been almost 2 years that I've done the procedure here in the clinic. Initially, I was so worried about the results. I keep asking Dr. Vikas about the result. Even till date, I was calling him and I was keep discussing about the results and all that. But now I think I did not say anything. I cannot speak anything. My results are purely visible on the camera.
Kyra Clinic will keep serving you with the best result with the ultimate transformation. You may join the family of Kyra Clinic just by pressing the subscribe